Welcome back to the White Belt Sous Chef. I've heard through the grapevine that people eat vegetables. So you guys want something vegetable-wise to eat, I guess. I'm going to show you one of my favorite vegetables, broccoli, the quickest and easiest way to do it. Real simple, takes about 10-15 minutes, so there's going to be no downtime except for maybe 10 minutes during this recipe, so you're going to have to plan accordingly. So first thing right off the bat we're going to do is we're going to get our oven 450 degrees, really nice and hot, and then I'm going to make my dressing really quickly. Got olive oil, rice wine vinegar going in my blender, garlic, salt, and crushed red peppers. I'll have the recipe on the page, so don't worry about writing everything down. And then we are gonna so you can see inside there we have some big chunks of garlic. Everything's kind of coming together, so I'm going to give this a couple more seconds on puree here to make sure we get a nice Alright, so we've pureed everything. Luckily this guy's got a nice little spout there, so you see our beautiful marinade, garlic, rice wine vinegar, olive oil, crushed red pepper, and salt. Pretty simple, pretty simple stuff. Now we're going to get our broccoli. Marinate it up. Pretty tricky, right? Cooking is as simple as learning the berimbolo, guys. That's it. It's not that hard. Pretty simple stuff. Alright, here we're going to lay our broccoli flat, make sure everything's got enough room. I've cut everything into a little bit bite-sized florets. So then all we're going to do right now is take this guy, pop it in a 450 degree oven for 10 minutes, and then we're going to be good to go. Bye-bye. Welcome back. Alright, we were about 11 minutes since we last saw each other. I got a couple beers, so things are going really well. I'm feeling nice and loose. Let's check out broccoli. Stay healthy, guys. Alright, so this is what we're looking for. This is our final product here. I wish you guys could smell it. Garlic, vinegar, broccoli. Look at it. Nice and crispy. So what I like to do is I'll cook this up a bigger batch. Whatever I don't eat, throw in the fridge and mix with salads for the remainder of the week. Alright. Enjoy your pandemic, guys. Stay healthy.